So this is our Westminster mini greenhouse. This is the narrowest model we do. It's just over a foot deep, ideal for very narrow passageways or very small gardens. This one is a 1 metre long version, that's 3'4" in imperial. So it's designed to go against a wall or a sturdy fence and provide you with plenty of growing space, but with a very small footprint taken up in the garden. You can see inside you've got 5 seed tray shelves. So we've got 2 at the top here, 1 in more or less the centre, and then you can see down at the bottom we've actually got the bottom shelf drop flat out of the way. So you can do that with all of the shelves. You can also adjust the height of the shelves depending on what you're growing on there. So it makes it a very versatile growing system. You can see at the bottom we've got some oranges and some peppers, so there's enough depth for that without the shelves. If you were growing things like tomatoes, probably would recommend bush tomatoes because they won't get quite so big. But what you can do is as they grow up you can drop the bottom shelf and maybe the second shelf down as well, just to then allow you to have some depth down there for the bushier things, but higher up you've still got your shelves available for putting seedlings or other plants on. Because the grow house is glazed in glass, it is very light inside, and the glass also traps the heat. So in the early springtime things will come on more quickly than in a plastic glazed greenhouse. Access is very easy. You've got sliding doors, so you can open the doors and get inside, and you've also got excellent ventilation because you can use the doors for sliding for ventilation. In the early parts of the year you can just have it open an inch or so just to let the air move through. In the summertime you can have it wide open, and in addition to opening the fronts you can also slide the roof glass as well. So in the height of summer you can have it venting out through the top so that the hot air is not being trapped in there. As I say, this is a lean-to version, comes with fixings to fix it back to the wall or to a very sturdy fence, and it's also designed to be fixed down. Framework's architectural aluminium, it's got a 25-year guarantee on the framework, but if you want to you can have it just in the silver finish like we've got here, or you can have a colour coating put onto it which will allow it to blend into the garden. So ideal for small gardens and the great place to bring on seedlings and to overwinter plants.